Hello and welcome, Greg here from Jaguar Crewe, bringing you this very rare offering today in the form of this stunning Range Rover Velar. This particular example is the Velar I Dynamic HSE, finished here in this striking colour with a black pack attached to it as well. The front of the vehicle will offer premium LED headlights with signature daytime running lights and of course that large front nose which is guaranteed to turn heads. This model also features a number of optional extras fitted to it. One of these will include this sliding panoramic roof. Large gloss black alloy wheels will really offer a lovely contrast against the colour, and there's also keyless entry and start and privacy glass. The upholstery is finished in part ebony and light oyster and looks absolutely gorgeous. That panoramic roof will let in plenty of natural light inside the cabin, and in the rear you will find full LED tail light design with large twin exhaust pipes. Power opening and closing tailgate will reveal an absolutely cavernous boot space, and that's even before you fold down the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split. Just in case, there is a space saver spare wheel available on offer too. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also reveal an interactive driver display, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, with the front seats offering additional side lumbar support for added comfort, and those being also electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Range Rover Velar. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you are enjoying watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once you find yourself inside the cabin of this Velar, it is a truly astounding experience. Lots of soft touch materials and leather stitching on the dash is definitely guaranteed to put a smile on your face, and the seats feature a three-way memory function as well as the upgraded MERIDIAN surround sound system. Multifunction buttons will allow you to control most of the vehicle aspects, whilst the digital driver display is a gorgeous function to use. You can fully optimize the layout, changing it from a 2-dial to a 1-dial, or if perhaps you prefer, a full widescreen map view is ideal when traveling on unfamiliar roads. Additionally, you can display so much more in the form of various trip information and safety systems such as city emergency braking, and control all your media and radio stations. In the center, the 10-inch floating screen can be adjusted for size and angle, and you have functions of a built-in sat-nav which can also be displayed up ahead. Bluetooth connectivity is also available for all your devices and supports Bluetooth audio, as well as radio stations will be delivered via AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. Other great features will also incorporate various add-ons. You can, for example, play around with your home screen and also see all these functions here, as well as the 4x4 eye system will let you know what the all-wheel drive is doing at any given moment. Helping you park is a set of front and rear parking sensors complemented by a rear view camera, which also supports wide-angle view. Moving down, there's also an eye control system which offers a secondary screen which will allow you to control your climate control system, but also so much more. You can optimize the various drive modes of the vehicle, such as offering a dynamic mode for a sportier drive. Economy will focus on fuel efficiency. You can also have it in comfort mode for day-to-day drives, with grass, gravel, snow modes, mud, ruts modes, or even sand modes for maximum grip. The vehicle benefits from air suspension, which will automatically raise or lower, and the car also features heated front seats, which can easily be operated via the dials here with a 3-stage setting, but also offers a massage function, which also supports a 5-way setting as well, so you can get as comfortable as you would want, making this Velar an ideal long-distance companion. All your climate control needs can also be easily operated via the rotary dials here. Deep center armrests with large cup holders and built-in twin USB chargers will also be on offer, whilst the sunroof itself is easy to operate. You can retract the electronic sunshade blind and open the window either by having it in a slight tilt function or fully sliding reclining. This has been a presentation of the Range Rover Velar R Dynamic HSE that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact one of our Jaguar specialists, either by clicking on the link in the description below or calling the number listed there. In any case, many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.